And of course, you are joining us live from the Zimpost official launch of yet another very exciting product that we've been seeing here. Zimpost, one of the oldest government or state-owned institutions that we have here in Zimbabwe. It has been known for many years as the people have been moving around with our letters and our post office. But still, with the technology evolving, they are still here and they're doing many more things. Today, right now, they've been launching a very interesting product. And of course, I'm so much excited to have the AG with Zimpost, with Mr. Isaac, Dr. Isaac Muchoko Mori. Thank you so much for having us with us here.
Thank you very much. It's quite an exciting moment for us as the post office. We are transforming, we are modernizing, we are digitizing. We are moving our traditional postal products and services into the digital space, and that digital tube that we are taking them through is actually the postal mill that we are doing now in line with the national vision, the NDS1 and the Vision 2030, where we are digitizing our economy. And as Zimpost, we are saying all our products and services are now digitalized. And we have taken them into that digital space so that they are also able to be available 24/7, 365 as a self-service portal, which is available for the people of Zimbabwe to access on their mobile phones, Tonde.
Right. Today, you have been launching a very interesting product. Let's talk about this product that you have just launched today, the post money and the digital money order. What is it all about exactly?
In this nation, the post office has got an experience of servicing the people for more than 130 years. And those 130 years, we see the post office also running, having the running men running into butter. And we also see the bicycle cycling into the streets of the nation, into every other address, delivering money included. And now, we have taken that ordinary money order. We have now put it on the electronic money order, which today people know as the Zipcash. It is this electronic money order which we have further digitized into a mobile money order. This mobile money order now sits on the cell phone. You no longer need to come to the post office. You no longer need to wait for the post office doors to be opened for you to access services. Services are now available on your mobile phone. They are now available at your convenience, now available at your home. And this is definitely going to answer the call for need of self-service away from the post office, away from the business center.
Right. People always wonder whether or not Zimpost was going to survive, especially in this digital era. They want to understand. You've been here, you're still here, and you're launching products. What has been your secret? Because you've managed to survive the digital revolution. Because we thought at this time Zimpost would be dead.
The giant was just sleeping. And you can see the trunk. You can see the stretched legs. The giant is awakened. And Zimpost is up. The future has arrived. And that future that we're talking about is digitalization. Zimpost products and services have come back. And enjoy your post office. Enjoy the services that we are offering. And what I want to advise you, Tonde, is that the post office is not going to die. The post office is not dying. If you look around it and see the e-commerce delivery capability that the post office now has, you may not be writing a letter anymore. But as you play on the computer, there is a physical item. And that physical item, we will still be delivering it home.
Very much interesting. Let's quickly speak before we close into figures. How has it been profitable, specifically when you're now moving to the digital era for Zimpost? How has been the movement so far, especially when you're talking on the figures value?
45% of total Zimpost revenue comes from this post money sender. It is a sender which is our cash cow. It is a sender which generates enough to cater for the Zimpost requirements. Let me tell you that Zimpost, with these digital postal products and services, it is going to post profits in 2022. And Zimpost is going to start declaring dividends to the shareholder. And we are happy that Zimpost is actually moving in the right direction in as far as that area is concerned. Self-sustainability, financial sustainability through its own products and services. Zimpost definitely has gone commercial, and definitely it is going to be as profitable an institution in no time from today.
The biggest advantage that you have got since time immemorial has been the issue of branches. You've got the widest network in Zimbabwe. How big is it? How many sites or centers do you have across the nation?
Tonde, we call this phygital. Zimpost has gone phygital. We are physically present. We have the widest network. Probably our point of argument is who owns the largest network between bottle stores, all combined, and Zimpost. We have the widest postal network, and it is this real estate which we have, which we are taking advantage of, and which we are innovating around, which we are using to push these postal products and services. So other than being physical, we have also gone digital. So physical plus digital, the post office has gone phygital. And what we are now only left to do is to make use of this presence at the village level, at every community level, urban or rural. The post office is going to be offering all services. A service supermarket for banks, a service supermarket for retail, a service supermarket for government services, and a service supermarket for everything that is required by a community, including health, including education, including climate. All these other things will be offered at a post office, at a digital space. And for those who may not be privileged to like technology, Tonde, they will still be able to get to a counter and get their physical service, which they are used to. But our point of encouragement, our point of training now is for people to transform and go with the organization into the digital space so that they are able to access those services digitally. Even on the Zimbabwe Mall, Tonde, we have got the Zimbabwe Mall physical. In terms of you going to the post office, access your retail services, you access your stationery, you access your seed, you access your fertilizer, you access your solar products. You should also then be able to have the Zimbabwe Mall digital, where you can do that on your computer and get the post office to deliver at your convenience.
Of course, there you have heard a new word that has been officially crafted by Zimpost, phygital. Very interesting times indeed. We will give you updates, more and more updates as we go on. But that's the general post manager, or should I say the postmaster general with the Zimpost there, Mr. Muchoko Mori. I have to be very careful with this very tongue-twisting saying the Mr. Muchoko Mori. Thank you so much for giving us this time, and we will definitely catch up with you for more updates coming through.
Thank you very much, Tonde. We invite the nation to come back to their post office. Their favorite post office is back. Zimpost is back in full swing as a one-stop for services. That one-stop fulfillment center, it is also a one-stop e-fulfillment center. So we are running this parallel system, the physical system and the digital system, including the digital stamp, by the way, Tonde. That is how we are welcoming the people of our nation. Come to this post money center, come and enjoy the hospitality of Zimpost, come and witness the new look Zimpost, and enjoy the convenience of the post office. I thank you.
Thank you so much. That's the Postmaster General there with Zimpost. It is a wrap. And from the crew behind the scenes, my name is Tonyo. We'll see you next time again. Goodbye.